How to verify your Rumble account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can verify your Rumble account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to verify your Rumble account, just go to rumble.com and then make sure that you're logged into the account. Now if you're using on phone also, just open your browser and go to rumble.com and make sure to enable desktop site if you don't see the options, because from the app it's a little bit difficult, so you just open your browser and do so. So once you come to rumble.com, click the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you want to simply go to this option called accounts options. When you go to account options over here, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see this option under account options known as account verification. So go to account verification here. When you go to account verification, you can see account status not verified. So what you want to do is, first of all, make sure to simply enter the phone number. Once you've done that, make sure to select text me or call depending upon what you like. You can just click on mobile phones text me option. Once you've done this, you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter your phone number over here. So let me go ahead and do that and click on the text me option here. If it doesn't allow, now it will basically send a verification code, so just wait until you receive the verification code on a mobile phone. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and then basically enter your verification code here and then just click the validate code option over here. Once you click the validate code option, now you can see the phone number has been verified, and as a result your account status will also get verified now, as you can see here. This way you'll be able to verify your Rumble account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.